Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share a scanned PDF file from Adobe Scan directly to WhatsApp. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, locate and tap the home icon in the upper left corner of your screen. This will take you to your main file directory where all your scanned documents are stored. It's your central hub for accessing everything you've scanned with Adobe Scan. Once you're on the home screen, you'll be able to see all your files displayed. These are all the documents you've scanned and saved using the app, organized in a way that makes them easy to browse and access. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific PDF file you want to share. When you've located the file you need, tap on the Share option. This will open up the sharing menu, giving you access to various ways you can distribute your scanned document. Adobe Scan makes it easy to share your files across different platforms, and this is where you'll see all those options laid out for you. In the sharing options that appear, you'll notice WhatsApp listed among the available platforms. This integration allows you to send your scanned PDF directly through WhatsApp without having to download the file first or use any third-party apps. It streamlines the entire sharing process and saves you valuable time. Go ahead and tap on WhatsApp from the list of sharing options. When you do this, the app will automatically create a sharing link for your PDF file. This link makes it easy for recipients to access and download the document, and it ensures the file maintains its quality and formatting during the transfer. Next, you'll be taken to your WhatsApp interface where you can choose who you want to send the file to. You can select an individual contact, a group chat, or even multiple recipients if needed. Browse through your contacts or search for the specific person or group you have in mind. After selecting your recipient, tap the Send icon to share the file. The PDF will be sent directly through WhatsApp, and your recipient will be able to view and download it on their end. And that's it. You've successfully shared your scanned PDF from Adobe Scan to WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.